let's get into this. Before I show y'all this though, like Nautica has some crazy steals in there, and I'll definitely be hitting that store again. So the first item we'll start out with is this little jacket right here. It came out to be, originally this price was, what, $79, but $80 for this little jacket. You end up paying like $39 for it. You can't beat that. So one of the dopest things that caught my eye on it was the Nautica across the back of the neck right here, which was real hard. So, in the second part, these shorts right here, just a little set I ended up putting together at the store, and these shorts came up to be like $49.50, but they run go for like $25. Like the steal in there was crazy. I think they had like some stuff 50%, well 30, 40, and 50% sale on these joints right here. So let me put this jacket on, let me show y'all how it's gonna look. Alright, so y'all, now it's the jacket right here, as you can see. But once again, I definitely be getting this tailored because y'all know how I am. I hate for my sleeves to go all the way over my arms. So I definitely be getting it tapered, right? Tailored. Yeah, tailored. So I definitely be getting this tailored, but y'all know me, I just probably pull it up on my sleeves and rock it like this. Which I'll check out the back of it. Yeah, this was dope, man. I figured you couldn't beat this for the price it was going for. It's like a little throw and go fit, something to throw on for the summer. Well, not really the summer. Well, the summer is here, but you know those days where it's a little cool too. So, oh yeah, but last but not least, let me show you guys the shoes that I'll be rocking with this. And the sneakers we'll be rocking with this are these Air Jordan 2.3s. Now this shoe right here, they call it 2.3 because I think it's like a hybrid of the Jordan 2 and the Jordan 3. And I really don't know why these shoes ain't sold out. Like once I seen the release date on these, I just knew that I was definitely gonna cop these sneakers. A low top, the summer here. So just something to throw on, you know, like I say, a little throw and go fit. So you guys, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know everything that you've seen in the store that you like. Let me know if you potentially like this outfit that's in the store. I don't even think I spent, what, $70 on this total little outfit to get the top and the bottom. You can't beat that for the summer. So yes, y'all, we finally hit 5,000 subs. So once again, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you all. The goal is, like I say, for the year out, let's get to 10. Let's keep killing it. I appreciate y'all. Oh, y'all, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all get to my Instagram. Subscribe to my Instagram, because like on these videos, like I'll put this on, like it's kind of like a wearing it, but on Instagram I kind of style it. So that's the difference. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow my Instagram at Scotty_Nino. I definitely be tagging it in this video. So let's go this, I don't know why I'm tripping on my tongue though. Let's get this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, you all, appreciate y'all. We out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna